Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're simply just going to be doing a modification to the Mustang again. First of all, I want to say thank you guys for subscribing to the channel, for viewing the channel, and just giving me an opportunity and actually checking out the videos on the channel. Thank you guys for subscribing. And if you haven't and you're new here, I would appreciate it if you guys maybe subscribe and hit that bell button as well. Thank you guys, subscribers and non-subscribers and first-time viewers of this channel. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. In today's video, all we're going to be doing is wrapping a piece of the car, and hopefully it'll come out good. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys right now. So here's a trim toolkit. I also have some few things in there. I'll leave a link down below where you can get this toolkit as well. But yeah, it has a lot of tools there. So let's go ahead and this thing is so much easier to pop up and just take apart as well. I'll just kind of work it, and there you go. Now, I'm not sure if the manual version is different than this one, but this one for the auto, this does come out just like that. It has your clips there as well, and here it is. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. It's a little nasty there. It hasn't been cleaned here, so I'll probably more than likely be cleaning this and before installing this back on here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start wrapping this. So with that being said, guys, hope you leave a like, share, subscribe, and comment down below what else would you like to see wrapped, or maybe a full car. So if you guys are here for the first time, don't forget, hit the like button, hit the notification bell button. I enjoy the feedback and talking with you all. So anyways, I'll leave you guys with the cinematic view. Until next time.